Hello Mia's Nation, and once again you're welcome to Mia's Cuisine, where fun and exciting things are happening each and every day. Today I will be making fried rice my way. That is, you know how I do it. I look for an easier method to prepare food that will save you and me time. So that's what I'll be showing you today. So let's get to work. First, I have here some scallop, some chicken liver, and shrimp, which I'm gonna steam for about 3 minutes with some salt, a cube of maggi, and a little bit of my blended spices. I'll steam for 3 minutes. Then later on, I'll come in and put some water and add some curry powder, which we're gonna use the water to prepare the rice. So let's steam. It's been 3 minutes steaming. Now I'm gonna add some curry powder. I'm using mild because I don't want it to be too pepperish. I don't want it to be hot. There's light, there's mild, and there's spicy. So whichever you prefer, that's what you go for. Curry powder is what actually makes the color of the rice yellow. So I'll put in 2 tablespoons of curry. I'm putting maybe 2 bowls of water. This is the water you actually use to prepare the fried rice. So in this water, you have to make sure you put in all of the amount of maggi you will need and the salt to taste, in such a way that when you put the water in the rice, you won't need any additional, or if you do, then you add it while you're boiling the rice. So I'll put another bowl of water into this. You can also add additional curry if you want to. I learned it's very good for the brain. It activates the brain, so it doesn't hurt. You steam again for another 5 minutes. While our meat is steaming, we can start preparing something else. So let's go to the rice. I use parboiled brown long grain rice. There are other types of brown rice you can use, so you use whichever you prefer. So this is what I use. I'll wash once, put some water, and steam. Drain. The water and steam. Steam it until it's half cooked. Then you do the final washing of the rice. So you can steam for about 10 minutes and just be sure it doesn't stick to the pot. Make sure it doesn't get burnt, so low heat. While the rice is steaming, you can start preparing your vegetables. Some people use mixed vegetables, frozen mixed vegetables. I usually use that too, but today I will be using some fresh carrots and bell red peppers. Fresh carrots and bell red peppers. So you chop the carrots and the peppers. That's what I'll be using today. But whatever vegetable you prefer, that's what you should be using. Remember, this is your food. You're cooking it the way you want it. There are many steps to fried rice, so as we go along, I will keep you posted. This is our meat. So we use a strainer and drain the water. You separate the water from the meat, because this is what you're gonna be using to boil the rice. Remember, this already have maggi, salt, and everything to taste. Basically, what I just did, I just separated the water from the meat, so the meat is dry and on its own. Give it a slice. Here's our rice. It has been half cooked. Put it in the strainer. Rinse once. And put it back in the pot. And use the water from the meat to prepare the final process. Rice, which was half cooked, put in the water from the meat, stir, and boil until the rice is cooked, till the rice is properly cooked. My rice already have enough maggi and enough salt. Cook in low heat and stir constantly to prevent it from sticking to the pot underneath the pot. Here is our rice. It's almost maybe a little way through. So rather than boiling or frying the vegetables separately, I just mix everything up. After all, they will still meet each other in the stomach. So I just mix everything up into the rice and allow the vegetable and the rice to finalize the cooking process. As you can see, my carrot and red bell pepper has been mixed with my rice. So now you can cover it maybe with cling wrap, so to allow the vegetable to cook, but not too soft. Low heat. Here's our rice. The next step is to put it in a bowl and let it cool down. And the last step of this rice is, guess? Yes, fry it. They didn't call it fried rice for nothing. You actually need to fry it in batches. So grab your frying pan, an open frying pan or pot, whatever you use, and chop some onion, maybe a whole onion. I'll show you how. Chop, and you begin frying. Once again, here's our rice, and here's my chopped onions. So chop your onions in bits by bit. Place your frying pan in the fire. When it's hot already, put it your choice of oil. Today I'll be using coconut oil, but you can use whatever you have available. Our oil is hot and ready. Put in some onion and some of the meat. Here you fry a little bit, then you put your rice. Here we are. You can start adding your rice to it. Like I said, we fry in batches. That's why we fell in love with Chinese fried rice in the first place. And because of the frying. To stir after every couple a minute or two to prevent it from getting burned, and you will see when it's ready, you will know. It won't hide at all. Here we are. Our first batch is now ready. You see how effortlessly it is. The water is dried out, so you can put it in a bowl or in a storage container, whichever you use, and you get it ready to put your second batch until you are done frying. So I will just repeat the steps again to show you how. Once again, you put in some oil, whichever you prefer. Here we go again. Put in some onion, some meat, okay. Time to start putting the rice. Off with your hand. Mix. Here we are, so we are all done to the frying of another pot. Put it in your beans and keep it frying until you have no more fries left. Here you have it, Mia's Nation. You can spice this fried rice my way with some baked chicken, baked turkey, fried fish, fried chicken, whichever you like. Here you have it with my juicy baked chicken. Once again, sometimes it doesn't matter how you start or which ingredients you put first or next. It's all about attaining to the final product. Here is fried rice. Once again, what you need is brown rice, scallop, shrimp, chicken liver, vegetable, either mixed vegetable, frozen or fresh. You chopped it up. You also need curry powder, mild or spicy. I use mild because of the kids. You also need salt, maggi, onion to fry the rice, and vegetable oil or whichever you prefer. It's always a pleasure cooking for you. I couldn't have done this without your help. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, or comment if you like my method. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.